today we want to do animal parts.
You want to
We
compare?
want to compare butterfly and ladybird like this.
First, I'm going to do butterfly dulu.
First, I want to do butterfly like this.
Okay.
This one like this or like this? First, we're going to do 4 in half. And you need to open, do your favorite color, purple or blue or yellow or pink. Put on just one side. Now we fold
Okay.
and press it.
Okay. Push outwards.
And then we done.
Okay.
Okay, we done.
Bang, lalu bang. Nampak ke? Wow. That's so nice.
It's like butterfly line.
Do you want to fold it again?
Yes.
Then we'll just...
Wow. Butterfly.
That's so nice.
I like it.
That's your butterfly. Angkat.
Okay, comment down below what's the rest. So this is my mommy and this is mine.
We'll dry this outside first.
Okay, now we do ladybird. You need glue.
So that I've cut this paper.
I cut this paper circle. Oval. And then you need to cut first at your paper, and you need to look at over here. We should dry first. Okay, we do this.
We're gonna write
We
down.
want to write down the similar parts
Body
of
parts
Yes. Of you
the
can
two
see
animals.
of the two animals. We need to do the marker because mommy do this with pencil. You cannot see. We need to do with my marker. can see or not? Over here. This. Wing, antenna, leg, and I can do. It's like this. But I think go. Okay. Now we need to cut. Okay. Mommy, now I'm done. Okay, now I'm done. This rings. You can't see, but this is rings.
Dah.
And then leg, and then what is this?
Abdomen.
Abdomen,
Abdomen macam perut dia.
and then antenna.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
next we're gonna do something
Next,
like this
we're gonna do something like this
to put the
to put the
animals
animal
on top.
on top. We do like this. This is the inside.
Cakap ada
Have tail tip inside there. This what is
okay,
this?
now you're gonna do this. Cakap my mom put a hole already, so I'm gonna put in the stick through the paper cup. Do a hole.
My mom do a hole for me
In the paper cup.
on the paper cup. You can see, and I need to mix it.
Tak nampak. Sit down.
Wait. Okay, now I'm done.
Pull in.
Pull in. And I'll play this one.
Okay.
Okay, now we need a popsicle. Okay. We do like this. Like this. Because we do like this. You can see we go
Twist.
twist over here. Okay. Put this. We need a chopstick. You can
Popsicle
beat
stick.
popsicle stick. You can do it if you want the big and has the color. If you have this, a small, and my mom do a hole over here because I need to put the popsicle. Okay. Now we can start. We pick one and we do like this.
Letak the other side. Letak dekat dalam.
Now we put a sellotape. This one. Now it can like this. Parts of the body.
Tak apa lah. Kena balance the other side. So kena yang panjang tu juga. Nazia ambil yang panjang macam tu juga. Okay.
Okay, now we do the ladybird. I need to color first. I do the circle. The antenna. Okay, now we're done.
Kita tulis ladybird.
Where?
Dekat sini. L A D bawah sangat tulis ni macam nak tulis Y. Y B I R D. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna stick over here. Okay, now we're gonna do a glue and over here. And then we're gonna stick over here. You can do at your home too.
Oh, okay, so there's another one more that we have to do. This one is butterfly, yeah. It's
Yeah.
outside. Okay, almost done.
Yeah. Now we do spell butterfly. How to spell?
B
B
U
U this one. I think this one. We're gonna stick over here. Or over here. This over here. Over here.
Okay, and I'm gonna put on the paper cup.
Yes. Wait, I'm gonna sit over here.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm gonna show you the
I'm
full
gonna show
one later.
you for later.
Okay.
Now we're done. Now we're done.
It moves around, yeah.
You move around. Yes.
Okay, so what do you have?
Okay. Now we have butterfly and we have antenna. This one is ladybird and this has antenna dogs.
Okay, what's the similar parts of the two animals?
Antenna,
Tunjuklah yang atas ni.
antenna, and body,
Abdomen.
abdomen, leg, wings,
Okay,
and then yes.
show lah yang belakang tu. Sini. So it turns like this. Okay.
Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. You can do at your home too. Bye.